Butterfly. I think he thinks I've used a real butterfly or a bug or something. Come here. Butterfly kisses? Are you done? You're done with that? Butterfly kisses. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Want a butterfly kiss? Come here, I'll give you a butterfly kiss. Come here, I'll give you a butterfly kiss. What's in that ear? What's in that ear? You're going to stretch that out. It's going to stay like that. That's your mommy. Where's sister? Where's sister? No, that's your belly button. Where's your sister? Yeah, there's your sister. Give her a kiss. Give sister a kiss. Aww. Yay. Yay. Good for Carter. You love your sister? Yes? Yeah? You love your sister? Aww. Aww. Yay. Good job, Carter. Mwah. Mwah. Scooter?